This look came out so bomb, y'all. It made me believe that I'm really cold. Like,
just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, I'm Glenda B. Thanks for joining me today. Today is day 7 of my sleep. Day 7. Day 7 of my Slaymas series. I'm uploading a different Christmas look every day for the 25 days of December. Today is the frostbite look. Don't play with them. If you want to see how I cheat this look, please continue on watching. Okay, so starting out with this look, I'm going to be using some glue, some regular Elmer's glue. I couldn't find, I didn't feel like buying no latex. Not that I couldn't find, I didn't feel like buying any. But glue is going to work just fine. And I'm just putting this glue on different areas of my face. To dry down the glue faster, I put on my air dryer, my hair fryer. So this glue was coming on really thin for some reason, maybe because I got it from the dollar store, so I had to do more than one layer, which was fine. I just went back over top of it. And then I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to create my open sores, and by doing that I'm just going to put the tweezers on my face and then open it up. And be really careful to not poke yourself with the tweezers, because I did do that a few times. Starting out with the look, I'm using the white from the Athena makeup palette, and this is what I'm going to be putting all over my face. Using that same white, I'm going to go ahead and brush it on my eyebrows as well as brush it on my lashes. Okay, so now to work on my sores, I'm using this red shade from the Morph Nikita palette, and that's what I'm going to be pressing on top of all of my my open sores. Right now I'm setting my face with this Athena makeup palette. It came with some setting powder, and every time when you put paint down you have to set it to make it stay in place, so that is what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to mix the black, the red, and the brown to create this this bruise like color that I have, and I'm going to add that up under both of my eyes. Using the same using the same mix of colors, I'm going to add that around my nose. I'm going to add that at the bottom of my mouth, and really just like certain places. Well, the only places I'm going to add is the ones I told y'all, around my nose and around my mouth. I don't even know why I'm still talking right now. So to be more realistic, to make this look more realistic, I'm going to go back into the Morph Nikita palette, and I'm using that light blue shade. I'm going to add some light blue all over my face just to, I guess, wake up that frost, I guess. That sounded so dumb. But I'm using the black from that same makeup palette, and this is what I'm going to be using to fill in the circles that I cut out with my tweezers. This look looks so good, y'all. Like, don't I look like I was on a Titanic? That sounded so stupid. Just forget I even said that. So I'm using that same blend of shades. No, actually I'm using that burgundy shade in that pink palette. And this is what I'm going to use like to draw some veins on my face, like up under my eyes and things like that. Now to focus on the detail around the open sores, I'm going in with that brown shade from the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm going to press that around all of the black circles. This look looks so good. It's starting to look so good already. Like, do y'all see that detail? I'm that girl. So let me stop playing with this audio. When I'm pressing down that brown shade, after I'm done, I'm going back on top of it with my red brush that I used to put down the first red color, and I'm just using it on the outside to make it blend easier, like to make it not be such a harsh transition from the brown to the white of my face. So I didn't feel like it was giving, like I didn't feel like the color was deep enough for me, so I went back in with that dark brown by itself, and I'm just like taking my small detail brush and drawing little lines around, directly around the black circle. Then I'm going on top of it to blend it to make it seem, y'all see how it look. It's definitely giving SFX for sure. It's giving SFX without the latex, period. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what color I was going in to make it darker in the middle. I think I was going in with that dark brown shade to make that black in the middle appear darker, because I started to lose the color under the brown and the red. So I think I went in with that dark brown in the middle. Now I'm using my small detail brush, and I'm using that white from that same palette, and I'm just going to be adding some details, like just to make it seem like more realistic, give it a little frost on the inside, make it seem like I'm freezing from the inside out. I figured I'd sneak a clip of me doing my hair for this look. It wasn't really hard for real. The hardest thing was getting my the little white balls I had in my hair even, because they were Christmas ornaments, and I was trying to get them to like double. You know how you like double a ponytail? Yeah, it was not doubling, and it was giving like lazy. Y'all can see what I'm talking about. Like the balls was not staying up. They was trying to lean forward. I mean lean backwards, just being lazy. So yeah, y'all can see what I'm talking about. It definitely came out cute at the end though, but it was not easy. Okay, not even. It's alright, girl. You're still cute. So I'm using this fake snow that I had since last year, and I went down to put some more glue, and I'm just pressing a fake snow on my eyebrows. I'm not really trying to do it in a neat way, because I really wanted it to fall on my lashes without actually putting it on my lashes myself. And then, you know, I changed my sweater or whatever just to match the aesthetics, and I'm fixing my hair again because y'all, it was not cooperating. It just was not cooperating. And that's it. I'm finally done trying to fix the hair. So I went back to add some more snow, because I was like, let me add some more snow on my face, because like I said, I'm freezing from the inside out. So that's what lips. I would not recommend using this glue at all. I use hair glue. I use some hair gel glue that I got, I think, from Erica J, and yeah, this is why I used to stick this snow on my lips. I would not recommend. Oh, girl, you scared me. Somebody get a blanket. Somebody get her a blanket. She need a blanket. Yeah, this look came out so lit. Like, it makes me believe that I'm actually over here cold. And I'm hot as hell. Like, it's hot in here. But I don't know. Maybe I am cold. If you like this look, which I know that you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Turn post notifications on so you won't miss another beat like this. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.